Hi, my name is Brenda Mideva, co-founder and managing director of Mwingi Kenya Limited. I have 13 years of experience and 8 years specifically in the retail industry. I would like to introduce our company, Mwingi Kenya Limited. It's a last mile fast moving consumer goods distribution. Majorly we focus on the likes of sugar, rice, cooking fat, flour to serve the communities that are underserved. These communities are facing the challenges of poor road network, lack of working capital, lack of accessibility to suppliers, and Mwingi has come in to provide solutions for this challenge. Mwingi identifies these areas through a geographical scorecard. We're able to rent shops, then we also renovate the shops to make sure that they look like functional running shops with shelving, solar lighting, painting and branding. Then from there, we engage female entrepreneurs who we hire locally. We also train them very vigorously in head office and also on the job training. And then from there, we issue them with their point of sale system. They use this for sales and also to manage their inventory. And also from the head office, you can be able to see how the business is performing and also see what they're selling, how they're selling, and also automatically replenish them with their goods. Mwingi Kenya started so far with only 2 shops. Now we've grown to 118 shops. We are also looking for investors, impact investors who also want to reach out to the last mile communities who face lack of quality goods, efficient goods at the right price and at the right time. So we welcome you to join Mwingi Kenya Limited to make sure that the rural communities are able to access clean, affordable, and always available goods for their day-to-day living. Thank you very much. And for more information, you can log into our website, www.mwingi.africa. Looking forward.